Hello everyone, welcome back to Oracle EBS Pro Learning channel. I hope you are doing well. In our previous videos, we learned Oracle EBS basics, financial modules, procure to pay and order to cash. Today, we will learn the record to report business process. R2R is one of the most important process in Oracle financials because it helps organizations prepare accurate financial reports at the end of every accounting period and come to what is record to report. So record to report is the process of collecting accounting transactions from different Oracle financials modules, recording them in the general ledger and preparing the financial report. Come to one business example. Imagine ABC company during the month and different business activities take place. So and the accounting payable team record the supplier invoices and the accounting receivable team create the customer invoice and the fixed asset team calculates the depreciation and the cash management team reconciles bank transactions at the month end. Oracle transfer all accounting entries to the general ledger for reporting purpose. Then move to next slide. And this is the entire business process overview. Come to business transactions. Every company performs business transaction for every day. For example, purchase office furniture, pay supplier, receive customer payment, record the employee expenses. Every accounting process starts with a business transaction. Then move to financial module like account payables, account receivables, fixed assets, and cash management. These business transactions are recorded in different Oracle financial modules. Let's briefly understand each one. Come to account payables. Account payables is used to manage supplier invoice and supplier payment. For example, our company purchases laptops from Dell company. The supplier invoice is entered into account payable module. Then move to account receivables. Account receivables manage customer invoices and customer receipts. For example, we sell products to a customer and create a customer invoice in the account receivables module. Then move to fixed assets. Fixed assets manages company assets only. For example, building, laptops, furniture, vehicle, and depreciation. Then move to cash management. Cash management manages bank accounts and bank reconciliation. For example, matching the bank statements with Oracle transaction. Then move to create accounting. Once transactions are completed, Oracle generates the accounting entries automatically. This process is called create accounting. For example, when a supplier invoice is validated, Oracle creates the debit and credit accounting entries. Manual generals are used for adjustment and special entries purpose. Mostly accounting entries from Oracle financial modules are generated automatically using the creating accounting program. Then move to transfer to GL. After accounting is created, Oracle transfer the accounting entries to the general ledger. This allows all financial transactions to be stored in one central accounting module. Then move to general entry. In the general ledger, finance users review and manage general entries, for example, recording the salaries, expenses, or office entry. Then move to general approval. Before generals are posted, many organizations require approval. Managers or authorized users review the generals to ensure it is accurate, then move to post general. Once approved, the general is posted. After posting, the account balances in the general ledger are updated. Then move to trial balance. Trial balance helps verify that the total debit amount equals the total credit amount. If they match, it indicates the accounting entries are balanced. The trial balance is an important step before period end closing. Then move to period end closing. So at the month end, the finance team closes the accounting period. Before closing the period, they will verify all generals are posted, no pending transactions, and accounts reconciled. Then they closed for the period. Then move to financial reports. Finally, Oracle generate the financial reports such as trial balance, profit and loss statement, balance sheet, account analysis report. These reports helps management understand the company's financial performance and support business decision. So many Oracle EBS module generates accounting entries, and all of them ultimately transfer accounting information to the general ledger. Then move to next slide. So this is the complete record to report process in Oracle EBS. We start with the business transactions, create the accounting, transfer entries to the general ledger, post generals, verify the trial balance, close the accounting period, and finally generate the financial report. In our next video, we'll begin the practical Oracle EBS General Ledger series, where we will explore the Oracle EBS application and learn general ledger navigation step by step. Thank you. Have a great day.